Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change folder icon on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all, I'm going to go to my File Explorer. I'm going to click on this icon to open up the File Explorer, and then for example I'm going to change the icon of this folder. So we can right click on the folder and then we can go to the properties, and in this properties menu we need to go to customize, and here we'll be able to change the folder icons. You can click on change icon and you can select icon for your folder. For example guys, I'm going to choose this icon. You can click on the icon you want to apply, then click on OK, click on apply, and OK. And as you can see guys, that the icon of this folder has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change folder icon on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.